Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create reels using Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to create a project. So after opening Filmora, you will need just to go to the file menu and here you will need just to click on your project. And basically in the project, here you will need to choose the one or the resolution or the aspect ratio for the reels. And basically it is the vertical one. And you will need just to choose the portrait one. This Instagram is about the Instagram posts that are in a square format, but we want reels. So basically you will choose this one and I'm just going to click on don't save. And basically now you will need just to start adding your elements. You will be doing your editing simply as you are doing with any other editing software. So you will be adding media and you will be adding anything that you would like. So here you will be, I'm just going to click on the downloads and you can start like adding whatever you like in the reel and you will have it here. At the end, you will be needing just to simply export in your reel. So here you will need just to click on export menu and then you can simply take it to your social media. Here you have only the YouTube and TikTok that are able in Filmora that would be able to export directly to your account, or you can simply have it into your local. You will need to make sure to be in a higher resolution and then just click on export and then you will need just to share your video or to share your reel into your Instagram. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.